What's going on, y'all? I told you. We doing tacos today. Taco Tuesday in full effect, y'all. So check it out. We're taking those leftover turkey meat pieces from the carcass, and we finna make some beautiful turkey tacos. They're gonna be so tasty. But anyway, y'all, let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
So of course, after we got that turkey chopped up, we gonna hit our griddle up with some olive oil with my spritzy spritz, y'all. My spritzy spritz. Y'all know I love this thing. Once we get our griddle oil, we gonna get on our turkey. Then we gonna go ahead and add our corn tortillas. Now you can use flour for this if that's what you want. Whichever is cool. And we simply just gonna give that turkey a quick mix, making sure that it doesn't burn. And let it do its thing, y'all. Let it do its thing. Now this here is some gochujang. I hope I'm saying that right. Probably not. But it's a Korean chili paste that's been made into a sauce. And we're simply just gonna spread that onto our turkey. And that's gonna give it a really nice spicy kick for our tacos. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. Just gonna simply mix that up, making sure that gochujang gets over all that turkey, so we can taste that flavor throughout our taco. And let's go ahead and get that corn tortilla flippy flip. Get it nice and toasted, cause it's time to build our taco, y'all. Look at that. So y'all know I'm kind of greedy, so I had to make me 3. Gonna get that turkey on. Once I get my turkey on, I gotta have me a little bit of sour cream, y'all. Just a little bit. How they say it? Do a dollop of daisy. Once I get my sour cream on all my tacos, I'm coming in with my lettuce. Then I have some tomato-based salsa that I'm gonna add to these. And oh yeah, I'm ready to eat now. They looking good. They looking good, y'all. Hold up. Forgot the cheese. Gotta put that cheese on. Now this is Mexican style cheese that I'm using today. At least that's what the package say. So we gonna go ahead and fold up this here taco and give y'all a looky look. I'm sorry, gotta say the same thing. So tasty, y'all, so tasty. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.